Yo, my boy, there's a solar eclipse happening today. You hear about it?
Yeah, I heard about it, bro. It's gonna be incredible, but I'm a little complexed on what exactly it is.
All right, so what a solar eclipse is when the moon gets between the sun and the earth, and the moon's shadow blocks the sun's light at a specific point where it looks like the night sky.
Well, that's pretty cool, bro. I'm so glad we get to watch this here in Colorado today.
Yeah, but I gotta run. I'll see you outside later.
So how incredible is this event?
It's not just incredible, I mean, it's amazing. For a couple of minutes, the day turns to night and everything becomes really like twilight. And here in Colorado, we're not in the path of totality, but we'll still get a pretty good view of the eclipse.
Yeah, I think the last time we had one in Colorado was in 2017. And matter of fact, the total eclipse is pretty rare. And when you do get to see it, you get to see a ring of fire.
Wow, 2017, that's like back when we were in elementary school.
Yeah, and it won't happen for many years. And I think it'll happen around lunchtime and it'll become cold in the middle of the day.
And it's also gonna help scientists to learn more about the sun, right?
Oh yeah, it will.
Okay, so cool.
So what eclipses really are is the moon coming in between us, the earth, and the sun. And the moon is blocking out our view of the sun.
But wait a second, the moon is so much smaller than the sun, so how does that work?
So the moon comes so perfectly in between us, and it's so close to us, that from our point of view, it looks really big. See how the shadow gets bigger when I get closer? And so the moon isn't really that big, but from our point of view, it looks like it covers the entire sun.
That makes sense. So what else have we learned from eclipses?
So another really cool thing is that when we have a total eclipse, it looks like it goes completely from day to night. So the sky gets really dark and the stars come out, and that affects a lot of things like plants, animals, industry, sounds, and us too.
Yeah, and because the light changes, scientists can use this to help us understand our sun a bit more. The sun has an atmosphere called the corona, and when an eclipse occurs, we can see that atmosphere. We can use this to figure out what the atmosphere is made of, as well as how it affects the weather here on Earth.
That's so cool. And really, eclipses have a way of bringing us all together. Scientists use it to study the sun, but communities and cultural groups also celebrate it. The eclipses manage to capture the imagination of cultures all around the world.
Before we get too carried away, we need to talk about safety first. Looking at the sun directly, even during a solar eclipse, can cause some serious damage to our eyes.
That's when these solar eclipse glasses come in handy. These glasses help protect our eyes from the sun, which we should never look at.
And in order to put them on properly, what you want to do is you look down first, you put on the glasses, and then you can look up at the beautiful sky. And to take them off, you do the exact same thing, but in reverse. You look down, take them off, and then you can look back up. Not at the sky though. Don't do that. You'll burn your eyes. So, how about we demonstrate? So, everybody look down, put on your glasses, then you can look up and look at how beautiful the sky is. Now, when we're done looking at it, you look down, you take off your glasses, and that should be good.
And remember to stay safe, and we hope you enjoyed the eclipse.